Chapter. And hi everyone, I'm Rosnani Ahmad from University Science Malaysia Library. And today I would like to share with all of you the video tutorial on how you can do direct quotations with parenthetical citations. I have two parts, and this video is for the part one, which is the concentrations more on the short quotations and also the citing secondary sources. All right, what is direct quotation, everyone? Direct quotation, it means you are having the direct or the original ideas verbatim of the authors, all right? The original source. So those quotation should have the standard guide, which is you are having the quotation marks on it, right? So the quotation marks, it means you are having a direct quotations. And for the in-text citation, they have two types of in-text citations. Either you are using parenthetical citation or narrative with author as part of it, right? So this video is about parenthetical citation for direct quotations. So we are using the concept of having the original author works or words, and also have the page number and also the publication year. Right, this is the example. The previous study stated that, okay, the quotation marks, railing to restore sanity was a revolutionary undertaking. And then have the quotation marks again and followed with the bracket name of the authors. All right, if you are using single author, so you just put the surname of the single author. But then if you having say 2 authors, 3 authors, and 4 authors and 5 authors, so you need to have for the first time all the names of the surnames of the authors. Okay, this one according to APA style. All right, and then followed with, if you are having more than 2 authors, make sure everyone the symbol of "and" is there. This is for the parenthetical citations order, right? And have the comma followed with the publications year, and then again the comma, have a space with the P for the page number, yeah, P dot, have a space, and the page number 28, for example, and then have the bracket again, full stop. This is an example of having short quotation, which is less than 40 words, right? For more than 40 words, they are having the guideline for block quotation. That one I will explain more on the part 2 for the video tutorial on direct quotations with parenthetical citations. Okay, now let's go for the next example. If you are having these short quotations, but you are having more than 6 authors, right? So for 6 authors and above, it means either you are having the initial citations or the substantial citations, then you need to have the first author surname only, and followed with the et al, et, have a space, el dot, have a comma, the year of the publications 2018, have a comma, and p for the page number, p dot, have a space, and the page number 470, and then have a bracket, then have the dot, right? So this is the examples of having short quotations, right? The first one is for the second 2 or more authors, right? And then the second example is 6 authors and above. And then the last but not least, example of citing secondary sources. This one, okay, you are having the source from Jeremiah, but then you are reading bowling explanations in it. All right, so this one we call it as citing secondary sources. So you need to have the names of the explanations, you must start with the primary source, which is in his book on Greek language. Bowling is the primary source. Discuss why reflexive constructions are rare in the language of Homer. And then have a comma, and here it starts for the quotations mark, right? Quotations mark, and have the ideas of the bowling. The rarity, this one in square bracket because it is the uniqueness of the ideas, right? Okay, they want to what do you call it, highlight it, right? And it's due partly to the competitions offered by the library, by the middle voice, sorry, and a comma, partly to the psychological belief, then carrot, and then followed by the quotations mark again. And now, because it is a citing secondary source, so make sure you are having the bracket as cited. The words as cited is need in Jeremiah, right? And then 2012, page 46. Okay, just make sure the comma is there, the p dot, and the bracket have a dot. So that's all for the direct quotations for this with parenthetical citations part 1. And till then, signing off, Rosdani Ahmad. Please subscribe to our USM Library TV channel for more updates and videos tutorial. Thank you very much.